This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable third-party cookies in the Opera GX web browser. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To enable or disable third-party cookies, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little Opera logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. And I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up here, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little bit to where you see the Privacy and Security area. And in that area, right here, third-party cookies, you want to click on third-party cookies. Gives you three options. The top one, allow third-party cookies. The middle one is block third-party cookies in incognito mode. And the bottom one is block third-party cookies. If you toggle on the top one, the main difference is this bottom thing here. Sites can use cookies to see your browsing activity across different sites. For example, to personalize ads. If you toggle on the bottom one, block third-party cookies, sites can use cookies to improve your browsing experience, for example, to keep you signed in or to remember items in your shopping cart. The bottom part is sites can't use cookies to see your browsing activity across different sites, for example, personalize ads. So that is how to enable or disable third-party cookies on the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.